Alright guys, welcome back to the Average Garage. Now today, it's just going to be a very short episode and I'm pretty much going to fill you in on what's going to happen in the next episode. When I learn to look at this camera and not the screen, we'll be right. Anyways, you can hear it trickling in the background. If it makes you need a piss, you're not alone. Anyways, what I'm going to do, let's show you what I'm up to and what you can expect in the next episode, and then I'm going to show you something that defines this gift that keeps on giving, because it's driving me nuts. So let's have a look. Right, so drum off, wheel cylinder off, draining fuel. So I need to unseize this doodad right here, the brake line fitting. I need to unseize that because it's seized to the pipe itself. And I was going to use heat, and then I thought better because flame plus fuel equals bad. Alright, so we're on the other side now. This fitting is okay. However, this bearing, see if you can see it on camera here. Can you see that crack in the race? Just under that 6306 there. And then we have a look down here. There's another crack somewhere down in there. You can see the race is broken, so there's two balls that are on their own, and a bunch of metal flakes came out that is now in there. So I am getting over this thing, but we will persist. So I've cleaned up the brakes so the drums aren't terrible, and this is the seal. This is why the whole thing was leaking and covered in oil, because under that one, the O-ring, shredded, mate. Somebody can't install that to save their life. Right, so that's a quick little update of what's going on and what's to be expected, as well as front of the Beetle's back on. I can't remember if I put that in the last one. Anyways, I've got to stop saying anyways. And tripping over. Also worth noting, the drums look serviceable. Yeah, they seem okay. They don't seem completely cactus. And I cleaned up in the ultrasonic cleaner, love that thing. I cleaned up all of the internal brake parts. So the pins, they're rusty. Don't get me wrong, they're still not the greatest, but they'll work. They're serviceable. Springs aren't broken. So yeah, we're going to put it all back together in the next episode, which you guys will see. You'll see me take it apart and put it back together. But yeah, we're looking good. Also, this series of the Beetle isn't doing too well, so yeah, if you want to support the channel, please share the videos around to your mates and share them on some pages maybe even. Every little bit helps. I really appreciate it. And yeah, hopefully we can make this thing into something cool, because I reckon it's going to be a pretty cool rat rod. We're going to clear coat it as it is, so it's keeping all of its patina. But yeah. Anyways, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you all in the next episode, which will be the proper episode, not this little update. See you then.